Chasing Paper, and today we're going to show you some tips and tricks on installing removable wallpaper.
Step 1, gather your materials. Step 2, prep that wall. Using a damp cloth, clean the surface and allow to fully dry. This is also an opportunity to be honest with yourself. Is it a smooth surface? Orange peel, knockdown, or a bumpy wall will not give you the best results for removable wallpaper. Bank a plumb line. Grab a level, draw a vertical line to act as a guide to keep the paper straight. Step 4, time to make some wallpaper magic. Peel the paper from the backing 6 to 8 inches at a time. Adhere it to the wall using your hand to press and smooth. We suggest smoothing from the middle of the panel outward.
So what you'll find in older homes and even in newer homes too, a right angle or a straight line is going to be really hard to come across. So a little tip that we like to tell people is to use the vertical seam as a guide, and then give yourself some overage on the ceiling and the floor, and then just trim it away once you're done.
Step 5, trim time. Use an X-Acto knife to trim off all the excess paper.
Only tool you'll need is a screwdriver to remove your outlet covers if you have them.
Removing chasing paper is super easy. Just start in a corner, start by removing about 6 to 8 inches, and just keep it moving. Another great tip, if you're planning on moving and want to take the paper with you, be sure to hold on to the paper backing. Then, after you remove the panels, lay it sticky side up and adhere to the waxy side of the backing. Parchment paper also works great.
It's as simple as that. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today, and be sure to subscribe to House Beautiful.